How does a tunnel boring machine dig a tunnel? The head of the TBM is a cutter head composed of many blades, which rotates to cut the stratum in front. The mud produced by cutting is transported from the front of the TBM to the ground through a slurry pump to prevent mud accumulation from affecting the propulsion efficiency. The TBM is propelled forward by a hydraulic system. During the advancement process, concrete lining panels are assembled to form the inner wall of the tunnel. Drainage and ventilation need to be ensured during this process. If the groundwater level is high or there is a large amount of water seepage in the tunnel, the slurry pump can also assist the drainage system to ensure the construction environment is dry and safe. Kingda KSGH series slurry pumps have long service life, which can effectively ensure the progress of the project. The TBM achieves efficient and safe tunnel excavation through the collaborative work of these systems and is widely used in urban subways, highways, and other underground projects.